Hello viewers and subscribers, welcome back to a new vlog in Istanbul. This is the tram station. So, as I said, that we are going to go to the city. I'm in the city now. That's the tram. You need a Istanbul card for that. Let's go to the shop. The weather is totally rainy. It's raining here. Walking towards the big bazaar. It's my first time here, so I've been waiting to come to Turkey, and now I'm here. See, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please watch it till the end. There will be a lot of videos regarding the Turkey vlogging. And you see there, it's a good place, nice. I slept about 5 hours. I reached at 3 o'clock in the morning to the hotel. Slept about 5 to 6 hours. This is the food street. We go here. Let's see what's here. See all these bags. These things. Right there is the Big Bazaar entry, the gate of Big Bazaar. We go in and see what's going on.
Arkadaş kalalım.
So this is the Big Bazaar. We'll come in, let's see around, and then I'll make a video for you all. This is all artificial. This is gold and silver. This is the money exchange. These are the Turkish lights which you find in every restaurant. Mostly of Turkish restaurants. Now we're out from the big bazaar. We go back in again. There are a lot of fake brands here. As you can see, the handbags. This is the market now. We come out of the big bazaar. But if you want to purchase any fake items or original, you must come out of the big bazaar and purchase it. It's very expensive inside. And you can also bargain. It's not fixed. They always ask you high.
Olmuyor, donuyor. Bir de ocak şurada tabii.
Here's a shop. Here is the best place for gold. Shopping for gold again. You go inside the big bazaar. There is perfume, do not purchase. Because everything is fake.
Nasıl çıktı oraya? Burada kelepçe çatmışlar size bir şeyler çıkmış ama. Nasıl çıktı?
After you come out from the big bazaar, this is the market where you can go shopping. Much cheaper rates. 3 times less than inside the Grand Bazaar. Try to purchase from here. Right in front is the Grand Bazaar. Everything is cheap here. As I told you, 3 times less than inside the Grand Bazaar. Check for the quality before you purchase anything. These are sweaters, jumpers, you can call them also. Scarves. That's big bazaar there right then. This is the wholesale market. People come out from other countries and buy. Quantity, about 1,000 pieces, 100 pieces or so. This is the place where you come for, if you have your own business and you're opening a shop or something, you can purchase it from here in a bulk quantity, and then you can keep on selling them. It's 200 €5 dollars. Right.
Huh?
Yeah, I'm seeing something.
Where are you from?
Netherlands.
What?
Holland.
Oh, whatever. Welcome.
All for 300 there?
Yes, yes.
Nothing less?
What size?
No discount?
No discount, no.
Why?
This number is 650 lira. $15.
Yeah, that's not original, eh?
This is original. Original, how much original?
Original is more than 50 or 60, 70 euros. Yeah? Let's see. So I just purchased a t-shirt from there. That was for 300 lira. And he was not giving it less. That means about 6 euros. 6.5 euros. Looked good.
Tiger.
Let's see here. Hello.
Hello. My friend.
These are the souvenirs here. You can buy some souvenirs and, you know, the tea, coffee, cup. These are the flavors are in there. There are some jackets here, but these are all fake. That was all for today. We'll be back with a new vlog, and then bye, ciao, take care.